Hello everyone. The purpose of this presentation is to teach you how to post a course discussion. There's actually two options to do so, so we'll start here on the home page and we'll go into our weekly course content. We'll assume that this is week 1. You would sign into week 1 or click into week 1, and you'll see that it has steps that you need to take throughout this particular week. But when we get down to step number 5, it says discussion question week 1. So we know automatically that we're going to have a discussion question. It gives us directions here about posting. It gives us our initial discussion question, which must be responded to by Thursday afternoon at noon. And then it gives us response prompts. That is how we should respond to other learners, and you want to do that by Sunday at 11:59. It also gives you a sample discussion response. You could click on and take a look at that, as well as the core rules of netiquette. That's what we call appropriate, I guess I should say, behavior or appropriate writing on the internet. So this is the first way that you can access your discussion question if you have one for that week. So we'll go ahead and click here where it says discussion question 1, week 1. And then we'll give that an opportunity to load. And this will take you to the graded discussion forum. Now you'll notice that I always repost the discussion question here just in case you maybe didn't copy it from the previous page. So you can always click here where it says reposting, and you'll see that I have reposted the question here for you. But notice at the top it says please do not respond to this thread. This is a reposting of the original discussion. So please do not reply to this particular discussion because this is just a reposting of the initial discussion question. So you can go back to that main page. There we go. So you'll go back to this page where you'll see what you see here. You might see other postings if other students have already posted. But this is how you will actually respond to a post. You go up to create thread, and it's going to open something that looks like this. It looks like an email message. You want to give that a title, so you might call it discussion 1, and then you can maybe your last name or something like that. Here you are welcome to copy and paste the question that's being asked of you here into the box, or you can just simply start responding to the discussion question just like I did, and you would go down until you have completed the entire discussion question anywhere throughout this box. And please do not do it in a Word document and then attach it as a file. For the discussion questions, I actually would like for you to do that in the text box, so this white box here. It's easier for me to grade rather than placing it as an attachment. So once you're ready to submit your discussion question for a grade or for a review, you would just click submit. Okay, now you'll see that we've got the reposting, and then you've also got discussion question 1 Turner, and you'll see that I'm actually the one that posted that. Now let's talk about how you would actually respond to other learners or other students in the classroom. So maybe you want to read this one, so you go up to discussion question 1 Turner. You scroll down and you can actually see what they wrote. So responding to discussion question. Let's say you want to add to that because you're going to be responding to at least 2 other people each week that you have a discussion. So perhaps you want to respond to this one, and you just click that reply there, and you can go ahead and type your response. This is a response to the previous discussion or something like that. I actually didn't spell that right. But you get the point. This is how you would actually do it, and you want to make sure that you're responding in a full way. You're not just saying great job, well done. You want to tell them why did they do a good job, or what are some ways that they could have actually said things differently or stated things differently, or how can you add to the discussion that they actually started. So once you've finished your response to that particular student, you just click submit. We'll give that a chance to load. Okay, perfect. And now you can see that the posting that I did initially now has a response. Of course, it's me because I'm the one that did the response, but if it were you, it would have your name here and the time that you actually responded to this particular discussion question. And it's the same way for all discussions throughout the entire semester that you might be working on.